Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a solution to social media marketing. In most cases, many people they've got social media pages, but they are having a problem of traffic and the marketing their tweets, their their social media pages like Facebook pages and many more. So like now, many people, as per my understanding, most people are struggling to generate such a traffic. So I have this website which I would like to share with you. This one down here, this one here. So this website has got several products for social media marketing from the perspective of social medias and for music production. For DJs, there are some packages there. Uh, and here is the website. You go like traffic-engine.live, then you go to click on services like this. Then here are the services. Like as I told you, it caters also for music producers or DJs, whatever way. So like if you can have a look here, the first product is Apple Music Premium, where you'll be having plays every you place your music on Apple, then you will have plays. People will play your music every month. So the packages are like as follows. The charges here are per thousand plays. You see, like if you order 1,000 plays, let's say maybe for Apple Music Premium, it's gonna be 19 if you order 1,000. But if you are going to need, let's say maybe 500, as since the medium order is 500, then the system will calculate and give you the related price according to the number of plays that you need. And this one also caters for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and there are several categories as you can see here. You can also go for the watch time, what time or for how long do you need people to watch your YouTube. These are likes and dislikes, subscribers, for Twitter, Facebook video views, Facebook comments, Instagram followers, Instagram likes, Instagram and the likes. It's also just traffic under general, maybe traffic from Google. You want people to be seeing your website or your post from Google. There is also Spotify, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google, Instagram, and the SoundCloud, TikTok, Shazam, Dailymotion, Periscope, Vemo, Mixcloud, mobile app installs. Yeah, if you are also an app developer, you can use this service to promote the ratings for your apps on iOS, Android, and many more. And the reviews also, you can also buy reviews. Yeah, you see like here, this one is for Google. It's for Google. This one is for traffic, but this one has got targeted countries. Like here you see it's USA, UK, South Korea, India, and many more. There's several packages or services that you can buy. So to know more, to know and see more, I encourage you to visit the website. Is traffic-engine.live. You will click on services. That's where you will see all the services that I'm explaining to you as now. And the one more other thing is that the price is the charge is per thousand. The charge is per thousand. You can buy the any number that you need to buy, and the system will calculate and give you the price depending on the number of the services that you want, if maybe it's comments and whatever. Okay, thank you guys.